Welcome. In front of me is a MediaTek KT107, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and expand it, and you should find a toggle somewhere here. For me, it's right over here. And once you find it, you can hold it. This quickly takes you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So let's go to Priority Only Allows, and in here we can select who can call us, who can message us, and what kind of sounds and just pop-ups we'll be able to go through. And once you set it all up, you can leave this place and never come back to it again. And all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle when you want to enable it, choose for how long, so either a timer, like additional hours, or until turn off, so you will need to remember to actually turn it off. And from here you also have 3 modes, so total silence, alarms only, and priority only is the one that I showed you how you can adjust to, well, your needs. So you probably want to select this one, and then click on done. And there we go, it is now enabled, as you can see. So that is how you turn it on, and if you decided to go with the route until you turn it off, then do remember to turn it off by simply clicking on it once more. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.